Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Here's your weekly dose of inspiration to build a creative habit, one drawing at a time. Brought to you by Sketchbook School.
Hello, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Today, again, like last week, we are going to look at watercolor textures and how you can take something from the kitchen drawer and change your watercolor washes completely. This is a video that you might recognize from about 2 years ago, and that's because I am busy with the production of a watercolor course for Sketchbook School. So while I'm working on that, here's a great video for your inspiration. Have fun!
Here's a fun trick to make a cool texture in your watercolor wash for your sketchbook pages. Take out your watercolor paint and wet your brush and make a wash. You can add some spatters if you want to. And as you can see in this area, a drop of water already made an interesting bit of texture. Now I will add salt. The salt will soak up a lot of moisture and the paint will gather around it, so to say. You can add as much or as little as you want to and just experiment and see what happens if you add more in different places or less in others. Now you just need to be patient and let it dry. And once it's dried, just rub off the salt and there you have it. A really cool colorful background with a fun texture to draw on. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like to learn more, head on over to sketchbookschool.com and join one of the classes today.